thank you for having me, and congratulations to the team at Speedrack Products Group on your recent growth and success, culminating in today's groundbreaking right here in Walker, Michigan. We're really happy about this. This groundbreaking is just another reminder that the ingenuity and innovation of our incredible business community here in Michigan, it's truly unmatched. And that is why we are proud to support Speedrack in creating 164 new jobs and investing more than $64.5 million right here in Walker, meeting continued customer demand and securing their continued presence right here in West Michigan. These new jobs add more than 300 Michiganders employed across Speedrack's manufacturing facility. And so I want to thank the Right Place, who's always been an important partner to the work we're doing, Representative Huizenga, Mayor Carey, all of who've been strong advocates for manufacturing growth right here in West Michigan.